Hello, I'm Christopher McGinnis, a civil engineer with the town of Breckenridge. This presentation will introduce you to the Watson Avenue Roundabout project. During this presentation, you will learn more about the project purpose and need, project benefits, and review the draft conceptual design. This presentation will last approximately 10 minutes. A PDF of this presentation is also available on the town website if you would like to go back and review certain information more closely. Once you have had a chance to review, please take a few minutes to provide any comments using the SurveyMonkey link provided on the last slide.
A 2017 roundabout feasibility study confirmed that the intersection of Park Avenue and Watson Avenue met the criteria for a traffic signal, but that a roundabout would better serve the needs of the location. In addition, the construction of the new parking structure on the South Gondola lot, which is adding 425 parking spaces and broke ground earlier this summer, will add even more demand to necessitate the construction of the roundabout. The transit station also creates a greater demand for the roundabout as buses have difficulty making left turns onto both Watson and Park Aves. The Breckenridge Transit Station is the central hub for the town's public transportation system, serving over 1 million riders each year. The station serves the town's free ride system, Breckenridge Ski Resort, and the Summit Stage buses operated by the county. The scope of this project is to complete a preliminary and final design of the roundabout, which addresses both the safety and operational improvements of the intersection. The town is also exploring reconstruction concepts for the transit station in conjunction with the roundabout design. More info will be coming soon regarding the transit station redesign. This project is entirely managed and funded through the Town of Breckenridge Capital Improvement Fund. Currently, Watson Avenue forms a three-leg intersection with Park Avenue with stop control on the Watson Avenue leg. Park Avenue has single travel lanes in each direction with outside bike lanes and a designated southbound left turn lane. Watson Avenue also has single travel lanes in each direction with outside bike lanes and a designated westbound left and right turn lane at the intersection. The driving needs for the roundabout improvements include existing and future traffic volumes, additional parking being added on the South Gondola lot, high volumes of pedestrians in the project area, and overall safety improvements for all users. The stop control on Watson Avenue makes it very difficult for buses and vehicles to turn left onto Park Avenue. A preliminary traffic analysis verified that the existing intersection functions at a level of service F, meaning drivers see excessive delays and poor travel times, and the traffic exceeds the amount of vehicles that can be accommodated. As mentioned earlier, the South Gondola lot is currently being redeveloped into additional parking. The combination of the surface parking lot near Watson Avenue and the new parking garage on the southern half of the parcel will be adding 425 additional parking spaces and substantial vehicle and foot traffic to the site. In the winter months, most of the people parking in this lot will be ultimately crossing Watson Avenue to access either a bus or the gondola at the transit station. The town is working with a consultant team to assist in completing preliminary and final engineering design plans for the roundabout. The extents of the roadway improvements measured from the center of the intersection extend approximately 400 feet to the east, 400 feet to the south, and 800 feet to the north. The land to the west of Park Avenue is currently undeveloped and known to contain wetlands. The wetlands will be avoided as much as possible, and the roundabout circle will be located in such a way to balance and minimize impacts to each parcel. The preliminary traffic analysis played the main role in determining the laneage of the proposed roundabout. The projected year 2040 traffic volumes indicated a traditional single-lane roundabout would continue to function at a poor level of service, experience significant driver delay, and reach its capacity before the design year 2040. Two versions of enhanced single-lane roundabouts were also analyzed, including combinations of a second southbound through lane or the addition of a northbound right turn bypass lane. However, no combination of a modified single-lane roundabout could accommodate all of the through traffic expected on Park Avenue by year 2040. The town and design team ultimately decided on a multi-lane roundabout with two through lanes in the north-south direction and a single circulating leg entering and exiting off Watson. While the long-term vision for the Park Avenue corridor incorporates widening the roadway section from 2 to 4 lanes, this project will still be tying into the existing 2-lane section of Park Avenue. As part of this project, the second northbound lane will extend from the parking garage access on the south gondola lot through the roundabout and merge back into a single lane prior to French Street. The second southbound lane will begin a few hundred feet before the roundabout to allow traffic to fill the lane, and then will merge back to a single lane at Mountain Thunder Drive. The through lanes cannot begin or end any closer to the roundabout without the roundabout operations breaking down and traffic queues backing up into the roundabout itself. Additional criteria that was used to inform the size and geometry of the roundabout included that all buses must be able to safely and smoothly navigate the roundabout without crossing any pavement striping or mounting any curbs. Larger trucks on Park Ave will also need to successfully navigate the through movement of the roundabout to continue along Park Ave, and slow and balanced speeds must be maintained for all movements at the roundabout to make it safe not only for vehicles and buses but other potential users. Following a few rounds of conceptual layouts and refinement, the team has landed on this concept for the new roundabout. This concept is a multi-lane roundabout with 2-lane entrances and exits on Park Avenue and a single-lane entrance and exit off of Watson, includes raised medians on all approach legs to discourage unnecessary and unsafe pedestrian movements, has a northbound bike ramp located upstream of the roundabout entrance for recreational bicyclists to navigate the roundabout outside the flow of traffic, and it ties into the sidewalk in the southeast quadrant that is being installed as part of the parking lot construction. Lighting and landscaping have not yet been incorporated but will be added in the next phase of design. Preliminary design for the roundabout is planned for August through December 2020. Final design will begin in December and be complete in the fall of 2021. Coordination with CDOT and right-of-way acquisition will also occur between December 2020 and the fall of 2021. Construction of the roundabout is scheduled for spring and summer 2022.
The Town of Breckenridge will be accepting public feedback regarding this project until September 9th. To provide your comments, please visit the SurveyMonkey link provided on this slide. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this presentation and learn a little more about this upcoming project. We are proud to be improving our infrastructure in the town of Breckenridge and be able to adapt to the changing needs of our community. To reiterate, all comments are due by September 9th. Thank you.